Good afternoon, everyone. The topic for today's lecture is rainwater harvesting. Let's introduce you to the topic. It is the process or a very simple strategy of collection of rainwater and the storage of the same for future usage or endeavors. The process involves, of course, the collection of the rainwater which falls on the catchment areas, which we particularly call as the rooftops, the compounds, the hilly slopes, or even the man-made or man-repaired semi-pervious or impervious land surfaces. Now, the rainwater that falls on the slopes or the catchment areas is collected, filtered and stored for various purposes or simply for the recharge of groundwater table. The rainwater harvesting is a very simple, it is a very cheap and economical way of utilizing the rainwater. Perhaps the only cost is used in the cleaning of the catchment areas or the man-made designs. Now the question arises, why do we actually need such measures of rainwater harvesting? Now we can say recently held Glasgow summit was a question for questioning or adhering to the critical need of addressing the climate change. Now we can say that rainwater harvesting can be a very effective way for a sustainable economy. Now, what is actually groundwater? It is the most important resource for the fresh water. There are of course 70% of water in our earth, but only groundwater is the source or resource which we need for our own uses, like in daily life, like toileting, bathing, cleaning, agriculture, or the industries, or even with the increasing lifestyles of the modernizing world. In a country or an economy, it is effectively used for various sectors like agrarian, domestic, and of course the industrial sectors. But we can say that the technological advancements being made for the harvesting or optimizing the groundwater usage is being complemented with government schemes as well, like Har Ghar Jal. But what do we actually need to focus upon is the individuality. The sole responsibility of all individuals will be very helpful in catering the needs of groundwater usage, optimized usage, and the rainwater management. Perhaps if every sole individual takes it as a sole duty to harvest the rainwater or optimizing the daily need of the groundwater, then both the technological advancements and the government schemes and our sole responsibilities can complement each other very effectively. So if I had to conclude, I would say that rainwater harvesting is a very simple and the easiest way for complementing the groundwater usage, and of course saving our very valuable resource through which we live. And it is a very effective way to address the very important traditional sources of water. In lieu of them, we should take it very sincerely and enhance our optimizing needs of groundwater. Thank you.